2013 Cadillac XTS Luxury, Memory Package, 4D Sedan, 1-owner clean Carfax, and rear-view backup camera. Go ahead, you deserve this one. The ultimate indulgence. This is your chance to be the second owner of this outstanding-looking 2013 Cadillac XTS, kept in great condition by its original owner. Have one less thing on your mind with this trouble-free XTS. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.